Good morning, students. Myself, Asutosh Ranjan, Science teacher of Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I am going to deliver my second lecture for your 13th chapter, Fun with Magnets. In my previous video lecture, I have discussed about discovery of magnet and some basic introduction of magnets. Today I will discuss further about magnets. As magnets are found in nature on the earth, according to existence, magnets are two types: natural magnet and artificial, that is man-made magnet. Natural magnets are those magnets which are found in nature by default as in the form of rocks, but man-made or artificial magnets are man-made, which are made by humans. So these are two types of magnets according to existence of magnet. And other hand, magnets are also found. Magnets can be also categorized, classified into different groups on the basis of their shape. According to shape, as man prepare magnets, so they make magnets in different shapes. So according to a structure of shape of magnets are also in different shapes. Bar magnet, in cylindrical shape, cylindrical magnet, U-shaped magnet, dumbbell shaped magnet, horse null shaped magnet, horseshoe shaped magnet. So these are shapes of magnets on the basis of their structure, and mostly these shapes are of synthetic magnets, artificial magnets which are man-made. Natural magnets are generally known as lodestone. Lodestone magnet is natural magnet, whereas when man make magnets, that is artificial magnet, and these magnets are shaped in different shapes according to necessity of human. So these are shapes and types of magnets on the basis of existence and on the basis of shape. Now, as we know that the main property of magnet is attracting some special types of materials, and those types of materials which can be attracted by magnet, those materials are called as magnetic materials. And the materials, these are nickel, cobalt, these are materials and substances which are made by using iron, nickel and cobalt are attracted by any magnet, any type of magnet. So these materials are called as magnetic material. In other hand, on some materials there is no any effect of any magnet. It cannot be attracted by any magnet. So these materials are called as non-magnetic materials. These are plastic, wood, glass, fiber, aluminium, copper. These are materials and substances which are made by using these types of materials are non-magnetic material, because there are no any effect of magnet on these materials. So these are non-magnetic material. Here are substances which are made by using nickel, cobalt and iron are called as magnetic materials, because these materials are attracted by magnet by its attraction force. So this is the classification of materials on the basis of behavior of magnet on any substance. Which substance are attracted by magnet are grouped in magnetic material group, and those substances which are not attracted by magnet are grouped in non-magnetic material. So these are classification of materials on the basis of their magnetic property. For today, that's all. Further in my lecture, I will discuss about another point of magnet. Thank you. Have a nice day.